In this video we will explain the User Coordinate System in LusoCAD, also known as UCS. Here we can see a 3D drawing, and we can see the UCS on the bottom left side, showing we are working in the XY plane. While we are working on this plane, any drawing we try to do will snap to this plane. If we want to draw on any other plane, we will have to change the coordinate system. There are different ways to do this. One way is to use the drop-down menu in the ordinate ribbon. If we want to draw on this face of the object, we select Front. And we see that we are now able to draw on this plane. However, we can see that the drop-down menu does not offer us any way to draw on this slanted angle, so if we want to do so, we must find another way. A very simple way to achieve this is to use the face option in this drop-down menu, which allows us to select the plane of an already existing face. Once we select the option, we have to select the slanted face. And just like that, we are now able to draw on the same slanted plane. Now let's imagine we want to use the plane of a 2D object. We can do so as well using the object option in the same menu, which allows us to draw on the same plane as these 2D geometries we previously drew. Let's now say that we want to draw a circle on this face of the object, but we also want to draw it on the opposite side of the object. These two faces are on the same plane but different points. For this case we can move the UCS, using the origin option in the ribbon. Just by selecting a new point, our UCS shifted places and now we can draw the circle easily. Finally, let's say we want to keep drawing on this slanted plane, but we don't want to have to select the face each time. We want to be able to quickly switch to this plane as we do with the front, back, left, right, top and bottom planes. There is a very simple way to do this. First click on the W icon on top of the navicube and select New UCS. Next we will place the UCS on the slanted face. Finally, we will select the points for the X and Y coordinates, so we select each corner of the face. We can see that the UCS now aligns perfectly with the slanted face. Now let's save this UCS so we can easily access it in the future. In the ribbon, select UCS named. This unnamed UCS is the one we want to save, so we select it and change the name. Now if we open the drop-down menu we can see our custom saved UCS, ready for use. Whenever we want to go back to the default UCS, we just have to select World Mode in the ribbon drop-down menu.